Good medical morning. What is Bumblefoot? Bumblefoot is basically an infection caused by staph bacteria, which enters the chicken's system through a cut, scratch, injury, or chafed or irritated area on its foot. It affects all species of poultry and occurs worldwide.
And basically, this can be caused by anything, a scratch, a thorn, or something.
Since this infection is quite common among backyard chicken flocks, you may discover that something foul is afoot while visiting your chickens one day. Let's take a look at a few examples. Because Bumblefoot mimics a typical foot or leg strain or injury, one of the first signs of this condition is limping. Chickens that have Bumblefoot will limp and sit or rest more often than usual to avoid pain.
See that? That's why she's sore. That's Bumblefoot.
Most of the Bumblefoot infections are a staph infection that comes from some kind of injury.
Now you can tell why it hurts for her to walk.
And then it just starts collecting pus around it.
Make her feel a little bit uncomfortable, as any sort of scab or anything will do. So as you can see, starting to get all that bit out. All the other bits of pus out.
Chickens may not want to roost and opt for sleeping on the ground instead. Another telltale sign is swelling of the joints in the toes and foot in general. So now you know a little bit about Bumblefoot. Please click like and subscribe for more medical videos every single week. Thanks for watching.
If you're looking for the best night's sleep of your life, then look no further. Rest More combines 19 essential herbs, vitamins, and minerals. It's the top sleep supplement on the market today. Rest More is healthy, natural, and available on Amazon Prime through buyrestmore.com. If great sleep is important to you, then try Rest More.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night.
I'm a retired Army veteran, and I lost 10 pounds, and I feel great. All that stuff on the shelf I've tried, but this actually really works.
All right. You love your Meta 7, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I just got another bottle.
Good deal. Let me ask you this. So you said your wife's taking it too.
Yeah, my wife started taking my medication, and I'm out early, so I have to get another one.
She likes it as well.
Yes, my wife loves it.
Awesome.
She's on board.
Doesn't make you jittery or shaky or anything like that?
Not at all. It gives you energy that you need to get through the day.
Fantastic. Man, I appreciate it. Thanks.
You're gonna love it. Try it.